look at the news, this, that, markets up and down, but actual investing comes down to a few decisions in life. We have just discussed economic macro fundamentals, the numbers in the JPM Guide to Markets overview video, and a chart that they discontinued a while ago was the Dalbar research on investor performance. From 1998 to 2018, and the average investor did 1.9% per year, not even beating inflation. The market did 5.6% per year. Now you say, Sven, why is this important? So 2018, the market did 141%. The investor lost money. That is because here investors make one decision. When the market goes down 40-50%, they make another. When it goes up, they make another. Wrong decisions, and then you lose the compounding, you lose your wealth. For the past 17 years, the market has been going nothing but up. Again, it comes down to making decisions here, and who knows what will happen next. But that's the key question. What kind of decision are you making now and you will make in the future when those crucial time points come? 2007, 2009, if you have been around. 2000, 2002, if you have been investing then. How will you know whether you're making the right decision now and whether you will make the right decision in case we have a recession, 40% stock market crash, you lose your job, you have mortgage issue payments, things like that? Because that is when the separation between great returns and the miserable actual returns that investors get happen. Everything is great the last 17 years. We all made 15-20% per year over the last 15 years. The key question is, what will be the result 10 years down the road? By the way, if you want to see how I'm investing, this is the video. We'll put it here. There is also one idea, value investment idea, that is there for you. So don't tell me I don't ever give you anything. And the situation now is that everybody loves stocks, especially US stocks. However, all these situations always change over time, and the key question is when and how to know how to make the right decision in time. And then if I listen at whatever financial media podcast, it's all about positioning. How should an investor position himself? Nobody talks about real investing. I didn't get any emails about business development corporations for the last few weeks. But over the last few years, one a week, Sven, what do you think? High yields, everything looks great. Well, now it doesn't. And that's because most people chase price. And if you chase price sooner or later backfires. And then comes the question, okay, what do I do? Bitcoin 120, 60, 70. What do I do now? What is the driver of my returns? And perhaps key question to answer is, if the market goes down 50%, are you happy with it? As Charlie Munger said, I've had my Berkshire stock decline 50% 3 times. It doesn't bother me that much. If it happens to you, will you make a detrimental decision or not? Perhaps something interesting that we haven't done a lot. Send me an email if you want me to review your portfolio, bigger portfolios, 500,000, a million, and then we can make a video about it and see where are we positioned in this environment. Thanks for watching. Check what I do. I'll see you in the next video.